Welcome back to the next lesson in our course on mastering algorithms and data structures in PHP. In today's lesson, we'll dive into PHP arrays and the powerful built-in functions that make them incredibly useful for data manipulation. Arrays are one of the most important data structures in PHP, and mastering them will allow you to write more efficient and dynamic code. So, what exactly is an array? In PHP, an array is a data structure that allows you to store multiple values in a single variable. Arrays can hold different types of data, strings, integers, and even other arrays. In this example, we create an array containing an integer, a string, a float, and a boolean. Arrays allow us to group related data into a single variable, which is much more efficient than creating multiple variables. PHP supports three types of arrays: indexed arrays, associative arrays, and multidimensional arrays. With indexed arrays, each element is automatically assigned a numeric index. Associative arrays let you use custom keys to reference elements, making them ideal for mapping data like names, ages, and locations. Finally, multidimensional arrays allow arrays within arrays, which is useful for storing tabular data. PHP comes with a number of powerful built-in functions that make array manipulation easy. Let's look at some of the most common ones. Array push, adding elements to an array. Array pop, removing the last element. Array merge, merging two arrays. Array search, searching for an element. Sort, and rsort, sorting arrays. These functions let us easily add, remove, merge, search, and sort arrays in PHP. By mastering these built-in functions, you can manipulate data more efficiently. Let's apply what we've learned to a multidimensional array. We'll use array push and array pop to manipulate the array. As you can see, manipulating multidimensional arrays is as easy as using the same built-in functions you'd use for regular arrays. To recap, arrays in PHP are an essential tool for handling multiple values in one variable. With indexed, associative, and multidimensional arrays, you can organize data in different ways. And using PHP's built-in functions, you can easily manipulate arrays, making your code more efficient and powerful. Thanks for watching.